Let's see how the DeepSeek API can be integrated to create a simple AI-powered chatbot. Here we are on the Google Colab platform with 5 coding steps that are already written out. I'll explain everything you see on the screen. First, we're going to import the requests and JSON libraries. In step 1, we'll define the API key and the endpoint URL. So, where is the API key? I've already shown you how to create the API key. You can just copy that API key and paste it here. You'll find the URL in the documentation of the DeepSeek API platform. You can see the URL and paste it in as well. And the URL might be different depending on which model you are using. Then you can set that. In step 2, you can set the headers for the API request. The header will say Authorization API key. That's where you'll put it. And it will try to create a simple application with the content type set to JSON. In step 3, we can create the data, message, and model parameters. So for the model, DeepSeek, whatever you're using, like DeepSeek R1-0, free. This is the model, and again, the model can be changed. The messages are user content. Here, I'm just asking, what is Python? I've already provided the message. I'm not showing you an interactive bar, just a sample where my input is already set. I'm asking, what is Python? In step 4, we'll send that particular request to the DeepSeek API. In the response, we'll see what we get, and you should also check whether the response is successful. That means HTTP 200. If that's the status code, then you'll successfully get the output for your query from the chatbot. Otherwise, it's an error. Any code other than 200 is considered an error. This is the if-else statement I used for that, to check whether the system is working or not. Sometimes it might fail. How will you know if it doesn't give any kind of output? That's why the else case has been used here. So I'm trying to run this code. It might take some time depending on your internet speed and also the post method, how it's sent, and how fast it goes. So it's trying to execute the code here. Let's wait a few minutes to see the output. And I've also mentioned this is not an interactive way. It's a very basic level of having a chatbot. Here is the response from the chatbot. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability, simplicity, versatility, and so on. You get a lot of information about it. You can build on this, make it very interactive, design the front-end interface, and also create a backend for it. So all these kinds of improvements can be made, and this is what a basic chatbot will look like using the API key from DeepSeek and DeepSeek models. Hope everything is clear with this simple hands-on chatbot implementation we've covered so far.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.